Hey there guys, welcome to another video. So I just had a thought. I was wondering, can you use car polish or compound to clean and get scratches out of an iPod stainless steel back? So I said, why not? That'll be a pretty interesting topic, and we can see what happens. So what I'm gonna do is I have a couple of products I'm gonna try. So I have Meguiar's Plastx here. And this is usually for plastic, but it is it's lightly abrasive, not terribly abrasive like actual compound is for paint. So I figure I'll try that on one. And we have compound here. So this is actually like professional compound that you can use to get scratches out of car paint. And then we have polish. So, and these are all Meguiar's products. So definitely not sponsored, but hey, if they wanted to, you know, they could. Anyway, so I figure what I'm going to do is try the Plastx. I'm going to try the Plastx on the iPod first generation. This is an iPod Touch first generation. It does not, it needs a new battery, but as you can see, it's very scratched here. This is a second generation that works, but has a bad screen. And as you can see, the back is dented really bad and it's very scratched. So I think we're going to go the hardest on that one. And then the third one is my iPod Touch 4th generation, which is also pretty scratched up. So out of these two, we're gonna see which one does the best job, and then we'll do that to the 4th gen. So let's go ahead and do the 2nd gen first, since that one is probably the one you guys wanna see. Now that one I'm going to use the good stuff on. So this thing is so badly scratched. It is just insane. Okay, let's see if I can get some stuff out here. Okay, so I got a little bit of compound here, and we will go ahead and try and polish this bad boy out. And this is normal, so that's what it should do. Taking off a little bit of the stainless steel when you do this. But hopefully that means that we're going to get some of it out, some of these scratches. So scratches. So I think we'll do a little bit more, and then we'll do some polish. It definitely is making a difference. I can definitely see a difference. Yeah, it is coming up a lot shinier. It's still, oh my god, the amount of scratches on this. It definitely did not have a case. I can say that much. But wow, it is making a difference here. So I think I'll do one more go around with the compound, and then we will do a go with the polish and see if that gets rid of some more of those scratches. Either it's taken off a lot, or I don't know, but it's very shiny now. Just still a lot of scratches. Very smooth though. All right, so let's try the polish and see if that gets some of the finer scratches out. Made a difference. It's it's a lot better than it was, but not really the best. So let's go ahead and do one more go with the polish. Okay, and so obviously this is not with a buffer or anything, so it's not going to be perfect, but I think it came out pretty good for how bad it was before. I think I'm going to put some tape on the first gen iPod where the Wi-Fi signal comes out, so I don't do that. But it's very smooth to the touch, and lots of scratches, man. That thing was just deep. So not too bad. Pretty pleased with the result on that. So let's go ahead and do the iPod first generation. I will go ahead and get a piece of tape for that. And we're gonna do Plastx with this one. Okay, and I'm back, so let's go ahead and do the Plastx now. And see if that does a good enough job like the compound and polish did. Oh man. Yeah, and I definitely don't use this all the time, so it's definitely a little bit dry and crusty. Needs to be shaken up. All that good stuff. So let's go ahead and try it on the first gen. I'm there. All right, let's do some more. Maybe I need to get more aggressive. I think I'll do one more pass with this. But there you go, there's the results so far. Try not to get on your plastic stuff. Ooh, these car things stink. I have to say, they smell bad. All right, I'd say that that's a pretty decent job. So there you go. It definitely has a nicer shine than it did before. This iPod may just be too far gone. I mean, it definitely is an improvement from what it was, but wow. This one you can actually see yourself in. So, I mean, you can see around me. That definitely made an improvement, and it's smooth to the touch. So I think what I'll do is I'll do the Plastx on the 4th gen, and I may do some Plastx on this one after I do that, just to see if that makes any difference. Maybe the stuff was too abrasive. So, all right, here's the before. And let's go ahead and see if that makes any difference. All right, I can already see an improvement, but definitely lots of scratches on this thing. So let's do another. Let's take another go here. It's kind of crazy how much of the stainless steel it's taking off. Alright, so there's that so far here. Definitely not getting rid of the scratches, but definitely adding some adding some much needed shine to it. And I'll have to compare before and after. But definitely adding some shine. Okay, so I'll try this one again. I definitely feel like the Plastx is the better one to use, so let's try that on this one. Alright, and there's after the Plastx. And yeah, I think this one, like I said, I think it's too far gone. But definitely an improvement from what it was. So, alrighty, so that was just a quick test. I just want to see if that made any difference in the stainless steel of these iPods, and I think it did. I think it made a decent little change in the sheen and the mirror finish. I don't know if it got rid of scratches so much, but I think it did a pretty good job, and I'm pretty pleased with the results. So anyway, yeah. There you go. So, hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. If you did like the video, please leave me a like. And if you want to see more content like this, please subscribe. And if you have any suggestions for content you'd like to see from me, please leave a comment down below. Anyway, I'll see you guys in the next video.